So in this video, we're going to talk about how to do auto ARMA forecasting in Python, just like R. So can we do like auto ARIMA? So the answer is yes, you can do that too. What you can do is you can actually load the data, and then you can just fill the auto ARIMA, and you pass the data, and then you start to doing the start P, start Q, and then test the models you're using, ADF test for the optional D, and the maximum value and the minimum value, P and Q, and then let the model determine what's the best D, and the sessional it's not sessional. So and then you just fill all those parameters in just one place instead of just like what we did before. We actually break it down to steps, and we find the what's the best number for the D, how much what's the order of the difference. So in this one, you can just throw those parameters here, and it will print out the results, and the results is eventually showing you all of those, and eventually determine what is the best for the exact results. Here you notice that we try to plot the dictionary, plot the results, and the PLT is not showing because one of the math plot lab was not executing, so we can execute that one first, and then we run this back. You're gonna see the results, and it should be able to plot. That should be the results, and you see the standardized residue is going to be like this, and the histogram plus the estimate density is like that. So it's kind of like it's pretty good shape, like Lomo, or similar to the Lomo distribution. And you have the theoretical quantiles, and that would be something like this, right? And then last question was how to interpret the plot diagnostic. You can actually, doing the prediction, you can plot the prediction with the original results, and then you can see how well it's actually showing you. For example, in this one, we actually plot the FC. That should be the results from the prediction, and then we plot the lower value, and then the upper value, and then it will become something like here. So everything in this blue one should be just the training data, and then afterwards it's just the prediction. So it shows you some prediction value. Apparently it's a wide range, right? Probably doesn't help too much, but this is green one is actually the predicted value. Okay, that's all for this kind of lecture.